Bodybuilders and athletes prefer whey protein and Isagenix IsaPro over any other kind of protein for great reasons. Scientific studies show that taking whey protein after workouts can boost muscle growth more than other types of protein. That's because whey is quickly digested and absorbed and has a superior amino acid profile rich in the branched chain amino acids. But what about other people who aren't working out all the time in the gym? Well, studies also show that extra whey protein can help satisfy appetite and provide an extra boost to metabolism for losing stubborn belly fat. This is why IsaPro supplemental whey protein is a perfect addition to meal replacements like IsaLean Shake. Isagenix also offers IsaLean Pro with this combination in convenient packets. IsaPro is even great taken alone or mixed with fruit for a snack and a protein boost to stimulate metabolism. Whey protein can be used to give older adults a calorie-controlled protein boost. Recent evidence finds that older people can benefit from whey to meet their increased protein needs for maintaining muscle. IsaPro is perfect to use in the kitchen for boosting protein content in recipes such as oatmeal, pancakes, and cookies. It's not any typical whey protein that will do either. IsaPro is way better, containing 18 grams of quality, undenatured whey protein in every scoop. The evidence is clear. IsaPro makes a great addition to a healthy diet for people no matter what they're looking for, whether it's athletic performance, weight loss, or healthy aging. And IsaPro is now available in vanilla and chocolate. To learn more about the benefits of Isagenix whey protein and IsaPro, visit isagenixhealth.net.